Okay, the slider on my jacket zipper broke, and I don't really want to spend a lot of money and buy a whole bunch of parts that might not fit. So what I ended up doing was, on the jacket itself there's a hood, and there's a cover to the hood, and there's a zipper on it. So I just took the slider off that zipper. And in order to take the slider off, you have to pull out about 3 of the plastic teeth here. So these are the plastic teeth. So after you pull out the teeth, the slider would come off. And in order to put the slider on the front of the jacket, I have to do the same thing now. I have to pull 3 or 4 teeth on the top of the jacket here, and then now I can slide the slider into the zipper. So the zipper should work again, and it does. So actually the bottom part of my zipper got broken too, because I put the jacket into the dryer and the heat was so much it melted a couple of its teeth. But it still works. I pulled the 2 teeth out too, but it still works. So now this part here, you can put a stop on it to prevent the slider from coming off. Normally you wouldn't just pull the slider all the way up here and try to take it off, so that actually isn't a problem. But if you want to, you can put a small metal piece they call a stop. They sell this also. Again, I didn't actually want to buy it, so I just used some nickel strip that I use for spot welding. I cut a piece out, bend it to shape, and then you just crimp it on here, and you have a stop to your zipper. So now you can put a little bit of maybe like super glue or epoxy so the stop would not come off. If you buy a real stop, it would have like teeth that would sink into the fabric of the zipper, so it wouldn't come off. But anyway, now the zipper wouldn't come off, and I don't have to buy a whole new jacket. Right, that's it. So now it should work. So now it can go all the way to the top, but at least it's working now, and I don't have to buy a new zipper for the jacket. I don't think anyone would buy a zipper for a jacket. It would be too expensive to put on. Alright, thanks for watching.